I'm gonna get you down, we're gonna get started, and we're gonna turn a simple, everyday product that you buy for your home into an incredible piece of art. So let's get started. All right, so I am going to take my spinner here, and the grain of the wood where they piece these together is right here, so I know where the middle is. So I'm just going to divide this in half. The Concord grape on one side, I love this color, and the white on the other side. I'm going to kind of spread this a little bit like so. It's kind of a little crooked, but it's all right. Should spin out for me pretty easy, hopefully. If not, we can add some more. All right, I'm gonna spin it out, see how far we got. Pretty sure we're good. Looks like it went off the edges pretty well. Actually had way too much paint on there, but it's okay. I have a little bit of a squiggly line, but I think I will be okay. That looks really good. Okay, we're just going to get started. I think I have enough off of it. I am using Dioxizine Purple, and I've mixed it with the Shelly Art recipe for the bloom. This purple contrasts a little bit to the other purple, which makes it absolutely beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna use the nebula. Should be okay down there. I've got some TLP Tailfeather. I'm going to use a macaw, the Indigo Gold Interference TLP, and I'm just going to kind of put it around here and give it a little shimmer. We're going to come in with some gold. It's like a mixture of the golds. Not sure what all gold there is, but it's going to be pretty. And now we're going to use the black and white cell activator. And I'm going to use the black down first, and then the white. And this is Amsterdam paint, and I'll put it in the description box mixed with Australian Floetrol. It's kind of thick on me. Hopefully it's not too thick. It'll be all right. Okay, and now we're just gonna kind of blow this out a little bit. Pop in some bubbles. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna spin it really slowly. Oh, beautiful. Looks like there's still a little bit of paint on there. Pretty good. I'm gonna get that off of there. That's just kind of spreading the paint a little bit. Not fast, not hard, just really easy. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I want both ends to kind of fall off the edges, so a little bit more. Oh, that is super pretty. Those cells in there are absolutely insane. Oh, they're pretty. and the colors. Absolutely beautiful. It's going. I just don't want to like send it flying. I think that's fine on this side. I just want to pull it over here on this side a little more. Wow. I'm gonna leave it like that. I think that's enough paint off of it. Not moving a whole lot, so thinking it's okay. Give it one more spin. I want this to go off. Okay. Oh shoot. I was trying not to do. Put my hand all the way in the side of it, but it's going. So that's off the side. This is almost off the side. I'm gonna get it there. And it looks like the purple came off where I put my hand in it. So that is good. I'm so messy. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. I'm gonna leave it because I love this and I don't want to lose it. I think we're good. I'm going to do some embellishing, and it looked like I had. Oh, it's pretty. Wow. Wow, wow. So I spin it out first because I don't want to really mess up my lines, and I don't really have to do a whole lot of embellishing after I spin it out. So it is like super sparkly. I like to come down from the dark side to the white. Hope you guys are well today. This is a custom order, or actually this is the second Lazy Susan that I have sold to a special friend of mine, Tracy, who lives in Texas. I'm so excited to have finally caught up with her again. Hopefully I'll get to see her soon. In the meantime, I am hoping she's gonna love this. That. Oh, it's pretty. And then I'm going to, oh my God, that's so pretty. I don't even want to mess with it. That's super pretty there. Not much is going to happen with this because it is, these petals are super amazing, and the lacing that came all the way out. It's just, oh my gosh, it is just breathtaking. I just can't get over it. Yeah, I don't want to really mess it up. Not often do you get an almost perfect spin out, but it's almost perfect. I love it. Oh my God. So here, I do want to bring this out a little bit more. I wish it would have reached, but it didn't. That just kind of gives the illusion that it's going off the edge, I think. There, works. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, it's so pretty. Just do it real fast, that way you don't have to think about it. There, that's done. Oh my God, it is a beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. 15 inches of absolute beautifulness. I'm going through, and wherever I put my skewer, when I lift it up, there are air bubbles. So I'm getting those. I think that's all of them. Oh my gosh. It is just breathtaking. I wish you could see it in person. I am making tons of these. This is a super, super amazing piece of functional art. My friend Louise McKay, she turned me on to making these Lazy Susans, and I could not be more happy with the results and how I just absolutely love them. And if you haven't been to our channel, please go subscribe. So Louise, thank you for your guidance and your mentorship, and just for being who you are. I love you, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you down. I'm going to get this over on my other table, and then we will do a wet flyover. And then in a couple of days, when it's dry, I will do a dry flyover, and then hopefully I will let you guys see it resin. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, here it is. Wow. Wow. Just look at it. Wow. The shimmer. Look at that. It's breathtaking. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Those shimmers. Beautiful. Okay, guys. Wet result.